Hey guys, and in this video let's make a side-by-side video comparison between the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tomasz Nowacki, and in this video we are going to compare the video quality between GoPro Hero 7 Black and GoPro Hero 8 Black, and these are going to be my settings to compare between the two cameras. So this is 4K, 24 frames per second, ISO max 400, and everything else like GoPro color and high sharpness, everything is basically set to auto. And alright, without further ado, let's compare the two cameras. Alright, that was kind of long comparison. I hope you guys learned something from it. To my personal opinion, I think that the skin tones on the Hero 8 Black look a little bit warmer, that better, to my opinion at least. I think that the white balance in Hero 8 Black is a little bit warmer, and some people may like it, maybe some people prefer the Hero 7 Black look. All in all, I think that the look on the Hero 8 Black is a little bit more saturated, and it has a little bit more contrast to it. But again, you can always fix it in post-production, and my biggest problem about Hero 8 Black is that it struggles when it comes to high dynamic range. So whenever there is a contrasty scene, when you have a blown out sky and some darky shady area, Hero 8 Black struggles more than with the Hero 7 Black. I noticed that it takes much longer for the camera to actually establish when it should expose for the bright sky and etc. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something and I could help you in a way. And as always guys, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumb up, and see you in the next one.